Them country nah big no friend. See the boy them a alien men. Who them country nah big no friend. See the pussy them again. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again. The great. One more great countryman. Remember, to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another button. Now, I want to talk about dinner and some things we are going down the sun. For real. Let's go. Now, look at that picture right there. I've talked about these people before. You have JJ, them kill JJ, and them kill Sonson. Now, listen. If you read this right here, it says Vash Queen, who ran off to England and get beat up and a hideout to try to get refugee status. If you read right here, it says Vash Queen was given order from jail to do hits on Sonson and JJ by Dunce boy in jail named Roll It. Now, Roll It is to the left of the screen. Larkin, aka Roll It. I'm gonna want to talk about the pussy.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel govern worldwide. Countryman, some of them boy have some. Them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder. You are dead rascal, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass the front up, look less of your seaweed. We no smoke with fish, this a no seaweed. How man a touch them up, free weed. How man feel love us to shit the real leader from batty them band. Harrier breed them in a mile lane, check it that she see speed that she. Give me the front or you think me leave baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder.
Oh, look at that picture right there. That's Mr. Walking Dead Howard. And his name is Larkin, aka Roll It. And a long time, you know, bottom feeder has been causing trouble. And he links with Vash Queen from day one. But Vash Queen smart in when we're gone to England. But this guy here, he swear to God, when he got out of jail, he was going to get rid of no find enemy them, cause he know he is Mr. Walking Dead coward. Now, we soon get back to that boy there, bottom feeder. But look at this. You know they found Togo dead. He was the man that find the body burn up in Dinnery, down from the other murder. And a lot of people are saying both murders are linked. But I don't know if both murder is linked, you know. What I do know is that this guy right here, his name is Colin on the murder of Togo. And this is the guy right here. Now, what do I did? I said Starboy name was Colin on the Togo thing, murder. But this guy right here also is the Walking Dead coward. His name is been Colin too. And from what I am getting from my investigation and my trying and tearing, this guy and Star Guy may possible a link. Now, I heard Mr. Walking Dead coward went to the police station and he is protesting is not what people are saying. But he's out there killing people. So you see how me telling you how them boys stay. Out there now, hiding and ambushing people. Cause they're not confronting anybody and do like a open shootout. Alright, me come fi kill Countryman. Let me back me gun and me and Countryman have a shootout. That's not how they do it, you know. What they do, they hide out and assassinate and ambush. They use the ambush method and then them say them a bad man. So he went to the police station, but what I'm telling the police then to do is not to believe this bottom feeder right here. A very dangerous boy, you know. And let me tell you why. Read that. I explained that earlier. So let's see how much square mouth on him nozzle. Get rid of JJ and Sonson. We are gonna move on. They are showing a picture of a young man, Malcolm. Look at this. Now, that is Malcolm. And Malcolm gets slapped with. You understand? And my intel is telling me that it is Roll It, Mr. Walking Dead Coward, who did it. And the reason why it was done to Malcolm is because Malcolm was linking with JJ and Sonson. And JJ, Sonson, Malcolm, them link with Circle. And they are representing the 7. Now, this bottom feeder right here, Mr. Walking Dead Coward, it seems like he's representing the 6th, but he has been carrying a grudge to Malcolm from back then, which he brought over when he come out of jail. Now, I hope the police is listening to this. There's a house down in Bexon where he stays with a female. You need to go and find that house and search it from head to toe. This is the bottom feeder, Mr. Walking Dead Coward Larkin, aka Roll It. He, from what my intel said, is the one who got rid of this young man Malcolm, because Malcolm, he linked with JJ and Sonson. So now a tree skull that door, you know. JJ, Sonson, Malcolm, and then we have the fresh one right here, so Togo, a 4 skull that, you know. Now, you see from what I see, a big piece of war I will jump off in a dinner, you know. Because Circle are one of the big timer. And the man them we are get knocked, them come from Circle camp. And it seems like Circle them link with the 7. So, what I'm saying is, this guy here, Roll It, Mr. Walking Dead Coward, as some may call him, you know. His time is numbered. He ran to the police station and tell the police them, oh, I'm not doing anything. But that's the wrong thing he did. What he should have did is check himself in to protective custody in prison, in the jail. Oh, hold on a second. Wait, I forgot. Then Lucia don't have protective custody. So, I guess he didn't want to go inside. No, I'm only kidding. But, not making light of the situation. lose them life. And this guy, Mr. Walking Dead Coward, aka Larkin, aka Roll It, his name has been called in, and my intel tell me for sure the guy Malcolm, him kill Malcolm, and him involved in the other three things. So that's all I have to say. Once again, I hope the St. Lucia police them jump on this one. And may I send a special shout out to Big Show. That's the inspector who's running the baddest police team in St. Lucia. Mr. Matthew, big up yourself, sir. Are you doing a good job, Mr. Officer? Now, guess what? My name is Countryman.